Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's discussion topic is important multiple questions of teaching fiction. So let's get started. Which conflict is presented in the minds of the characters of a fictional work? A. Internal conflict. B. External conflict. C. Regional conflict. D. Mutual conflict. The correct option is A. Internal conflict. Internal conflict is presented in the minds of the characters of a fictional work. Why is teaching fiction comparatively not as difficult as teaching poetry? A. Because it is shorter in length. B. Because it is longer in length. C. Because it is very easy to understand. D. Because it does not have meter. The correct option is D. Because it does not have meter. Teaching fiction comparatively not as difficult as teaching poetry because it does not have meter. In which characters have supernatural qualities? A. Short story. B. Fairy tale. C. Novel. D. Drama. The correct option is B. Fairy tale. In a fairy tale, characters have supernatural qualities. In which kind of fiction do the characters have mysterious behavior? A. Mystery. B. Short story. C. Essay. D. None of these. The correct option is A. Mystery. Characters have mysterious behavior in mystery, in which real events of history are mixed with fictional touch. A. Free verse. B. Science fiction. C. Historical fiction. D. Realistic fiction. The correct option is C. Historical fiction. In historical fiction, real events of history are mixed with fictional touch. Where is a historical fiction set usually? A. A huge building of present era. B. An old house. C. A haunted palace or mansion. D. Famous historical place. The correct option is D. Famous historical place. Historical fiction set usually in famous historical place. The atmosphere of the setting is also affected by which of the scenery? A. Shade. B. Environment. C. Light. D. None of these. The correct option is B. Environment. The atmosphere of the setting is also affected by the environment of the scenery. What is the theme of a fiction? A. The main idea. B. The underlying meaning. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct option is C. Both A and B. The main idea and the underlying meaning is the theme of a fiction. Plot of a work is built on a very short outline of the story. A. Novel. B. Essay. C. Fable. D. None of these. The correct option is C. Fable. Plot of a fable is built on a very short outline of the story, in which animals are presented with human characteristics. A. Fables. B. Short stories. C. Mysteries. D. Miracles. The correct option is A. Fables. In fables, animals are presented with human characteristics. The theme of a fable may give A. Entertainment. B. Moral lesson. C. Boredom. D. None of these. The correct option is B. Moral lesson. The theme of a fable may give moral lesson. The plot of a mystery is laid in a way to solve some A. Riddle. B. Puzzle. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct option is C. Both A and B. The plot of a mystery is laid in a way to solve some riddle and puzzle, in which characters solve their problems by using scientific knowledge and the gadgets. A. Drama. B. Science fiction. C. Realistic fiction. D. Short story. The correct option is B. Science fiction. In science fiction, characters solve their problems by using scientific knowledge and the gadgets. What is required to write a good fiction? A. Creative thinking. B. Imaginative thinking. C. None of these. D. Both A and B. The correct option is D. Both A and B. Creative thinking and imaginative thinking is required to write a good fiction. How is the setting of a historical fiction and how it is presented? A. Lifelike and mystical. B. Imaginary and mystical. C. Real and mystical. D. None of these. The correct option is A. Lifelike and mystical. The setting of a historical fiction is lifelike and mystical. What things does the setting show in fiction? A. Time and place. B. Accent and moral values of characters. C. Social norms and cultures. D. All of these. The correct option is D. All of these. Time and place, accent and moral values of characters, social norms and cultures show in fiction setting, which provides the clues to the readers that may lead the readers to the ultimate solution. A. Setting. B. Plot. C. Character. D. Scenery. The correct option is B. Plot. Plot provides the clues to the readers that may lead the readers to the ultimate solution. The characters in fantasy fiction are A. Superhuman. B. Ordinary. C. Historical. D. None of these. The correct option is A. Superhuman. What should the teacher of teaching fiction narrate to the students? A. The way of writing fiction. B. The types of fiction. C. Both A and B. D. None of these. The correct option is C. Both A and B. The way of writing fiction and the types of fiction. What is the main objective of teaching fiction or prose? A. To develop the sense of superiority. B. To develop the fashion of intensive reading. C. To develop the sense of art. D. To create a habit of literature reading. The correct option is B. To develop the fashion of intensive reading. To develop the fashion of intensive reading is the main objective of teaching fiction or prose. In teaching prose, what should also be taken into consideration? A. Characters. B. Plot. C. Interdisciplinary teaching. D. Interdisciplinary teaching. The correct option is D. Interdisciplinary teaching. In teaching prose, interdisciplinary teaching should also be taken into consideration. In teaching fiction, contextual, biographical, and which elements should also be considered? A. Historical. B. Economical. C. Biological. D. Mathematical. The correct option is A. Historical. In teaching fiction, contextual, biographical, and historical elements should also be considered. That is all about today's video. Thank you.